I'm fed up with traditional ways of frying eggs. They're not visually appealing and are very greasy. Today, I will show you some tips for frying eggs that are incredibly beautiful and easy to make. First tip: omelette with a rose shape. First, prepare 4 eggs. Add a little salt and pepper. Then whisk them well until the mixture is fully combined. Strain the egg mixture through a fine sieve to make it smoother. Then set it aside. Next, prepare the sauce. In a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir well until everything is thoroughly combined. Vegetables are essential for this dish to enhance the flavor, so here I'll finely chop the onion. I'm really curious, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Followed by the carrots. This helps them cook faster and absorb the flavors better. Heat a pan over medium heat with a little cooking oil. Add the diced vegetables and sauté them first until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Then, add 100 grams of ground beef. Stir-fry quickly until the beef is no longer pink and well combined with the vegetables. When the meat and vegetables are almost cooked, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the prepared sauce. Then stir well to coat all the ingredients evenly. Continue cooking for a little longer until the dish is fragrant and appetizing. Next, add a bowl of cooked rice. Be patient, as we're almost halfway to completing the dish. Once the rice is well combined, take it and place it in a small bowl, pressing it down gently. When the dish is finished, you'll understand the purpose of pressing the rice into the bowl. And as you can see, when you lift the small bowl, the rice retains the shape of the bowl, creating a beautiful and interesting round ball of rice. Then, gently press the handle of a fork into the center to create a small hole in the middle of the rice ball. Now, finish the remaining sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of milk to the sauce mixture and stir gently over low heat. When it starts to simmer gently, turn off the heat. This will make the sauce richer, smoother, and more aromatic. Then pour the sauce around the rice. Next, heat the pan on the lowest heat and brush on a very thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Slowly pour the egg mixture to create thin layers, like crepes repeat. Keep the heat very low so the eggs don't dry out until you have about 20 thin egg sheets, each about 8-9 centimeters in diameter. Once done, place the egg sheets over the rice. This step requires a bit of patience. You'll carefully pick up each round piece of egg and arrange them, like piecing together flower petals. Take your time, layer by layer, and you'll see the flower gradually take shape. Don't rush, because this meticulous process is what creates the beautiful highlight of the dish. And trust me, when finished, the result will be completely worth it. Then roll the remaining egg sheets into a flower shape for decoration. Now, we just need to place the egg flour in the indentation in the middle. Then skillfully use our fingers or chopsticks to gently separate the layers of egg so that the petals bloom, creating a more vibrant and attractive shape for the dish. The final result is a dish that is both visually stunning and full of flavor, created from seemingly simple steps. Yet the overall presentation is truly comparable to a fine restaurant. Tip 2. Now let's move on to one of my favorite, almost foolproof microwave tricks, poached eggs. First, prepare a microwave-safe mug or bowl. Pour boiling water into the mug until it's deep enough to fully submerge one egg. Simultaneously crack one egg into a small bowl. Then add a pinch of salt. Next, use a fork or spoon to gently stir the water in a circular motion to create a small vortex in the mug. Next, pour the bowl of eggs into the middle of the swirling water. Thanks to this motion, the egg white will naturally wrap around the yolk, giving the egg a neat and tidy shape. Now, place the mug in the microwave. Set it to medium-high power so the egg cooks gently. If you like your yolk soft and silky, microwave for about 2 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, increase the time to around 3 minutes. When the time is up, carefully remove the mug from the microwave. After draining all the water, we have a delicious and nutritious poached egg dish.